Big news coming out of Harare. A concerned citizen has dragged the government to the High Court over plans to amend the constitution without a referendum. Is this a power grab or just normal politics? Today we break down the explosive court papers filed by Matete. Stick around. This one could shape Zimbabwe's future. According to court documents, Matete argues that public debate over the proposed constitutional amendment bill has exposed deep divisions on whether some changes require approval directly from the people through referendum. He points to public statements attributed to Justice Minister Ziyambi and former Deputy Minister Mnangagwa, who have suggested that a referendum is not necessary. But Matete is pushing back hard. Matete also referred to powerful submissions made to Parliament by Zimbabwe Catholic Bishops' Conference on May 12, 2026. Bishops raised serious concerns about protecting key constitutional safeguards, including term limit provisions, from being changed without direct public approval. My interest is neither abstract, academic, nor hypothetical. It is a real, legal, recognizable, and constitutionally protected interest arising from my status as a citizen of Zimbabwe and a registered voter and a beneficiary of the constitutional order established under the Constitution. He says he has a direct interest in making sure that constitutional amendment procedures are followed strictly according to the Constitution and that entrenched provisions are not altered unlawfully. Matete argues that the case raises a real live and justiciable constitutional controversy over the interpretation of application of Section 328. He warned that the bill has already been gazetted and the legislative process is moving forward. Senior government officials have shown clear intention to pass these amendments without submitting them to referendum. Matete contends that the proceeding without referendum would undermine the constitutional supremacy, democratic participation, the rule of law, and sovereignty of Zimbabwean citizens. He says, and I quote, Section 328 exists to ensure that fundamental constitutional safeguards cannot be altered solely through a parliamentary process without the direct participation and the approval of the electorate. Failure to uphold a referendum, he argues, would unlawfully deprive Zimbabweans of their right to participate directly in decisions affecting these entrenched provisions. This matter is now pending before the High Court. Whatever the outcome, it's clear the battle over Zimbabwe constitution is heating up. So the big question is, should changes to key parts of the constitution, especially those protecting term limits and other safeguards, be decided only by parliament, or must the people have the final say through a referendum? That's what the court will have to decide. What do you think, Zimbabwe? Should these amendments go to a referendum? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below.